Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. This is the daily close for Bitcoin to see what happened and what it might happen next. So basically we are looking here still at this area where we got, of course, another trial for Bitcoin here to break the low, but of course another failure as well, but still see something going on in this area. Not very impulsive, I would say, but of course this can be something as diagonal, and that we might have here something as a correction and then we drop down maybe. But the things are cannot be yet confirmed still, of course, from the intraday here. They cannot be yet confirmed before taking the 85k. And by all means, if the price is gonna stay above the 85k 300, whatever is gonna happen here, I believe that we might still, of course, move and shift for higher prices, because this is a clear impulse as well. Also, this is a clear impulse, and this is a clear diagonal there. So if we want to call it as diagonal, it's a little bit hard, all of it, because of the wave 3 here, longer than the wave 1. But what I still think, of course, that we might be in the possibility of triple 1-2s, shifting into a massive wave 3, and potentially can be also as diagonal here, as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I still see, of course, two possibilities for higher prices. I don't see yet a very strong weakness, especially on KGT. On KGT, I still see, of course, a divergence between the price and the CVD line, especially here. Also, if we dive a little bit deeper on the 1-minute chart, we already got a strong divergence again. However, this drop again after, of course, where we see convergence here is interesting. Yeah, we saw a drop. If it's gonna continue and take this low, meaning if the price takes this low, okay, then it's done. There is something shifting again toward the downside. If not, if we stay above this price here, which is the same on KGT within the signal as well, that means, of course, we still have the possibility to move for higher prices. What I also see is a potential ABC here. Can be also WX and a Y, maybe as an ABC. Also very likely can be, of course, a WX and a Y in a zigzag here, and then having an X right now because it's somehow complicated, and then we move for a wave Y, probably in a zigzag, which it might be, of course, your wave 4. And that means, of course, you might still be in the 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And we need the time. The time is needed and required, of course, in this area. At least double time, I would say. Important level, of course, to watch is the 99K 150. Meaning, of course, if the price stays also below this 99K, that means, of course, we might continue the drop toward the downside. So we are in two possibilities here. The invalidation of bearish within this impulse is given, all right? The invalidation of bearish is given, meaning currently the price is ranging between this area, the 85K and the 99K. If we stay above this area before we finish a structure here as 3 waves up, that means, of course, the structure might still, of course, push for higher. If we stay after the structure finishes and we stay below this 99K, we might drop down again. This is, of course, in general, the understanding of this price action, the current patterns right now. Yep, so let's watch these levels and we'll see, of course, what's gonna happen. I wish you to have a nice eve. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.